Hello boys and girls, it's, what time is it? It is, oh come on, 1526 August 12, and I've already opened a couple of radios here. I've opened a, well first I opened this thing here, right? You ever seen one of those before? Okay. Then I opened this just now, and of course the cassette deck plays and all that. All right. Okay, that's one of those. And then let's see, that's not going to fall, is it? Better not. Sit there. Okay, so now let's see, where your scissors go. There they are. Great. This one arrived to me. Well, I mean, this one here arrived today, and got in your pocket. Okay, and it's got this from By Japan and like that, right? And, this is, I had one of these before, and I bought it again because I'm looking for certain features in a radio, and this one, I still have question marks about this radio, but because I can't remember, and this is somewhat hard to find. There is one on eBay right now, but I decided to get this one from Bai because the seller wrote about it in such a particular way that made me more inclined to get it than to get the one where the person didn't quite know much about his radio. Even though he made a couple of videos about it, he still didn't know. It's like showing that it works. So, but this is a National RX-5280. Somewhat small box, but that's where I'm going. Even though I just got these two bigger boxes. But like I said, I wanted to review these two bigger boxes along with some other bigger boxes that I have, because that's what I like to do. Okay, and the only way to do that is buy the darn things. Let's see, how well is this thing packed? It's packed really well. Needs a lot of tape. So I'm making a third video, but I have one Facebook video going on because it's really hard to start and stop that. It's kind of silly to do that, so just make one continuous shoot with the Facebook thing. Okay, and there we go. So, and yeah, so, and then, well, can we peel this off? There we go, great. So this is a kind of a smallish model, but this is kind of where I'm gravitating towards. And this, again, this is, anyway, it's a 5280. And the reason why this model to me is appealing is because of the music search on it. It's only one time, I think, but because it has music search for the cassette, that's what interests me, because I still play cassettes even at this day and age of digital stuff and so on and so forth. And so I like my cassettes. I'm sorry I don't like digital. I have CD players, but I only happen to play the music that's only available on CDs. That's why I have them. And I have one turntable and I have one, anyway. So here this is in, okay, it could use a little cleaning there, but no issues. Okay, and look at that. That's nice. They put a little piece of hoo-ha around that. Great. And I didn't notice a power, I don't remember, it don't matter if it has a power cord or not, but let's see here. No power cord. Those need to be cleaned. No issues there. Okay. And the one I had previously had world voltage. This one does not. Okay. So did this come with a power cord? Yeah, there it is. Here's the power cord. I mean, why do they wrap it up now? Just well, okay. There's fine. Another power cord. Okay. So let me get my power supply. Without further ado, let me play this. Okay. got my tape in my pocket, right? Yeah, I got my tape in my pocket. Okay, so come on now. Where's this go? Goes here. That goes in there. This is a radio.
Doubts about the election. I keep wondering, why didn't anyone in the Justice Department come forward?
Members execute missions every day.
Okay, so the radio works, yay-hoo. It's got a complete antenna with the, plastic tip. That's another reason why I got it, because it's complete. It's got the, the battery cover right here. Alright, there's that, okay. And then, let's check out the tape player. So hit eject. It just needs a, well, there we go. It needs a spring. See if I can find a spring like that. So fast forward works. Rewind works. Play works. Capstan's turning, great. Okay, so let's try my tape. Right, so I was playing A side, right? Yeah, A side. Yep, goes this way. A. So A, we'll do a little rewinding, because I did a little bit too much rewinding with the other machine. Now let's hit play. Let's hit stop. Hit play. Do the rewind. Now it has automatic TPS, which is tape program search. So it should. See, tape kind of rolling along. Here's a record mute. Well, skip that song, but then this, well, who knows? Probably needs heads cleaned, I don't know. I had this thing all prepped to play a particular tape or in the other radio, but that didn't happen. At least I can hear it. This should be the song. I don't know what else I can tell you. It's just I like it. That's why I got it. Okay. I'm going to work on the tape program search myself, see if I can clean up the heads or see. Maybe it's the tape because this tape isn't optimized for, but who knows? I don't know. Okay, well, I bought this again for me because this one only takes, this takes 8 dB, well, who knows? Okay. Anyway, I like this model, kind of, sort of. Yeah. We'll figure it out. I gotta go. Gotta stop, put all this stuff away. This stuff out in the hoo-ha and such. So, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Where did the thing go? Here it is. So, I'm signing off from YouTube for the 3rd time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.